Hi kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to read Fading Flowers. So, are you ready to listen to this story? Then let's start.
Fading Flowers. On the way home from school, we picked some beautiful yellow dandelions. I made sure to put them in water right away so that they wouldn't wilt too quickly. They looked beautiful on our table during lunchtime. But they looked a little wilted at dinner time. Then, when bedtime came along, oh no, my flowers are dead. What can I do? I guess that kind of flowers doesn't last very long. The next morning at breakfast, to my surprise, the flowers are alive again. I guess they weren't dead after all, but were only sad or sleeping. That night, I felt upset because I didn't have time to play before bed. Oh no, said Mom. It looks like my little flower is fading. Is she talking about me? Am I like a flower too? It was sad to see the flowers wilt. Do I look like that when I get upset? Think. Oh, I get it now. When I put a smile on my face, I look like a cherry lovely flower. But when I'm grumpy, I start to look droopy and sad, just like a wilting dandelion. I want to keep my smile going forever and ever.
So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Then, see you on next video. Goodbye.